My first altcoin of the day that I've chosen to showcase to you today is going to be a bit of AR coming through there, a bit of AR coming through there. And the reason why I've chosen to showcase this to you guys, there's humongous breakout scenarios coming through here. You can see we've got a symmetrical triangle chart pattern at the top of a big uptrend coming through on the daily. And we know what that means. It's a bullish pennant chart pattern, which usually means continuation to the upside. So there's definitely a humongous breakout scenario. We're on the cusp of a breakout coming through here, and this isn't going to be small. This really isn't going to be small. This is going to be a big, big percentage, guys. In terms of a measure move for this trade, we could be looking at something along the lines of this. And guys, this is a non-greedy measure move. I know a lot of other people, they're doing measure moves like this. It's just far too ambitious for my liking. I like the smaller measure moves, make 10 times more money, 10 times more reliability. So yeah, we can weigh up that one as well, right? Why not? Just to see how greedy it really is. But yeah, in terms of the measure move that I'm going for here, it's going to be around a 23.8% gain there. Pretty crazy stuff. And this could really be happening on this breakout scenario coming through today. I mean, to be honest with you, let's put that to the side for a second there, just because you can see we do obviously have this very, very, very strong resistance point to the top side here. You can see we have bounced off this multiple times here. Now, we are actually breaking this to the upside, but what I want to say here is we just need to be cautious because there is a very visible trap zone that is it's there, guys. You can see we wick up to this zone in the space of a day and then basically get bombarded, cascaded, base camp jump off of the Grand Canyon there from that top side there. So this is basically a trap zone that we need to be wary of. We're not going to be entering any sort of position until we clear this zone. Obviously, nothing that says financial advice. Please do not enter any trades that I'm saying on this stream. I just recommend you doing your own technical analysis research first. So in terms of a breakout scenario, in terms of profit that we are looking for, it's going to be around a 12.8% there, not quite a 24.35, just because this is called a trap zone for a reason, guys. I mean, to be honest, if you were itching for a position, it's really not the end of the world if you did want it long inside of this zone, but I really would be staggering a lot more take profits there because you're likely to get reversed here. You can see the reversals from this zone. It's very, very dominant indeed. But yeah, this is the breakout scenario I would be looking for there for AR, and that's why it's claimed my altcoin of the day. That's why it's claimed my altcoin of the day there. We do have a bit more of a greedier measure move that I was talking about there earlier there. So let's weigh that up in terms of percentages there, because if we do see insane progression to the upside and we are in our long positions, we could see this ride, but to be honest, it's highly unlikely at this point in time, right? 63.42% gain there for AR if you were going to be greedy. But as I said, guys, you're not going to make greed's not your friend here. Greed is not your friend, right? But yeah, let's jump down to the shorter term time frames, see if we can get a better gauge. As I was saying here before I was about to make this video, right? I did put this ascending triangle coming through here on the chart, guys. Very, very good correlative point. You can see there was another breakout scenario. You can see the support to the lower side here. You can see the resistance to the top side there. Horizontal, upward sloping, creating an ascending triangle there. The breakout scenario looking for this could actually run here if we do see us coming inside of this the trap zone that we were talking about on the longer term time frames, right? Because that actually brings us fascinating to the top side of that, correlating very, very well with a nice resistance point there. So yeah, what I would say is actually there's another little long here on the shorter term time frame. Once we clear this zone and get the congruent breakout from around $60.57 there, probably a nice 4-hour candle close there, holding that support up for us, I would be potentially looking for a lovely little long position in terms of a completion of this measure move, around 6.69%. Amazing number coming through there. So yeah, we'll just have to see how that does plan out there. But yeah, that's definitely something I will be looking for the rest of the day, guys, because this is imminently happening here. In terms of the RSI there, I would say near enough getting to that overextended sort of scenario there. And nearly setting some sort of bearish divergence coming through there. So yeah, we just need to keep that in our back pocket and be prepared for that. But in terms of the MACD, we're thriving in this uptrend. We're trying to go a lot higher. We're very, very far away from a bearish crossover as well. So yeah, looking very, very progressive, I would say, there for AR. But yeah, just to summarize, massive breakout on the longer term time frame, and also we've got a minor breakout coming through in terms of a daily swing trade that we could be looking for as well there. But yeah, that's going to be an update today on AR.